Hi guys, this is Neha and once again welcome back to my channel about technology. In this video we will learn to check whether the hard drive of your system is SSD, that is solid state drive, or HDD, that is hard disk drive. Both SSD and HDD are the secondary storage of your device. HDD, that is hard disk drive, is the traditional hard drive which was used in earlier systems. It is even used today, but nowadays people are going for SSD because SSD has more advantages over HDD. The solid state drive is expensive, but it has faster retrieval rate when compared to hard disk drive. We'll be using three methods to check whether your system has SSD or HDD. First, using Windows PowerShell. Second, using defragment and optimized drive app. Third, using system information. So let's get started. For the first method, that is using Windows PowerShell, type PowerShell in Windows search box and click open the Windows PowerShell app. Now in PowerShell window, type the command get dash physical disk and press enter. Under the media type, you can notice the hard drive of my system is SSD. If it has been hard disk, it would have been HDD instead of SSD. Second method is using defragment and optimized drives app. So simply type defrag in Windows search box and you'll get the defragment and optimized drives app. Click open this app and here you can notice under the media type it has been specified that the hard drive of my system is solid state drive, that is SSD. Now the third method is using system information. So type system information in Windows search box and click open the system information app. In the system information window under system summary you have to navigate to components. Under components you have to navigate to storage and then to disks. Now in the description area you can notice the media type describe it as fixed hard disk. Though you cannot judge whether it is SSD or HDD, but the model name describe it as SSD. So we can say that the hard drive of my system is SSD. For more description and explanatory screenshot, you can refer our official website qhow.com. I had provided URL for the same in the description below. Please like and share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel about technology. Keep checking the channel for further updates and put your comment and queries in the section below. We'll be back again soon with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.